we actually be grappling with these kind of situations. And it's good to see that kind of enthusiasm and passion to have that kind of a global perspective, but at the same time, a kind of a local solution. We have talked about research and manufacturing in healthcare. So from the patient diagnostic perspective, which is an integral part and often the first step of therapeutic pathway, how are we leveraging the diagnostic infrastructure in India to meet the current demand? And what are the future requirements to face the current challenges? I welcome Dr. Nilesh Shah to put forth his remarks.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for invite Amit, Dr. Siva. Probably I am the only one on user side, so I'll just share some experiences. In my 35 years of career, I would say last 7-8 months have been unusually different. I would say this last 7-8 months experience was something like few years of experience. I have never seen operational collapse anytime, and I first time witnessed some operational collapse. Not only in Metropolis, but all the chain labs or many of the large labs, I've seen that collapse happening, where we were very sensitive to customers' requirement, patients' requirement, doctors' requirement. Somehow we fell short of it. So, generally in the forums we want to talk about positive. I'm going to share lots of negatives which have happened. We have at times not been able to meet turnaround time. We had a situation where we had to refuse the test and so on. We had faced regulatory challenges, government, everything happened, not only to us but many. Now this was not intentional, this was a pandemic situation. Everyone was trying to struggle and make a way ahead. If I have to narrate few of the challenges which will be good for the audience to know, one of the biggest challenge which I face is getting the staff to work, and we had to do a lot of motivational exercise to ensure that they come on board. We had challenges to service because phlebotomists would not like to collect, they were scared. We had challenges of logistics because of lockdowns. Movement of samples were challenged, so we can't meet turnaround time. We had a lot of issues related to even data management. The regulatory expectations were so high that every sample you collect, you have to give comprehensive data. And data has to be accurate, and in case data is not accurate anywhere, you get straight away show cause notice. So I have received good number of show cause notices, and this expertise I never developed in my life. I started developing expertise of how to reply to show cause notices. This also has been one of the experiences. So I know we have to move to technology side. I will soon move to what we did on technology front. But few of these things are very important for you to know as a base before I take another area. There have been a lot of regulatory challenge where whole India is a very large country and we do not have uniform regulations across. If I say Bombay lab, which is a COVID testing lab, just Bombay alone is connected to 12 different municipal corporations. So Virar will be different, Thane will be different, Ambernath, Badlapur, every operation has a different requirement. You have to give report differently, you have to give MIS differently. All this to do manually within right turnaround time when your manpower is less and no automation is available was a big challenge. I'm going to connect all this, how we bridge the gap and how did we introduce automation.